Alright, it's now like 8 or something, and it's snowing really good now.
What time is it?
Like 8, I guess.
Seems late, isn't it?
Yards are covered.
No, it's like 8:50.
Let's see, I'm gonna guard it.
It always snows at night when it's hard to tell.
Snowstorm of 2010 out here in the south. We built a snowman. We named it Leroy. And pretty sight to see here. Lots of snow on this beautiful, beautiful Friday morning. All schools are closed as the roads are just in bad shape. And I just dropped my gloves in the water. But look at my footprints here. Very deep snow. We got 6.2 inches here. I'll show you right now. Very deep snow. Half a foot of snow here. I mean, it's incredible to walk through it. I mean, you can see it on the mailboxes and everything here. It is quite a sight to see this morning. Go out here. Lots of people having some fun out here at the park on this snow day. I mean, even the sidewalks are covered in snow. So, definitely it's nuts out here. Very slushy out on this road. .2 inches of snow, and it is a beautiful sight to see. Look at these trees. Snow just everywhere, just covering everything. I mean, I've never seen anything like it. This field out here, this dirt road had about an inch of slushy accumulation. And you get out here, and whoa, there's a lot of snow. It's really powdery too. Huge snowstorm of 2010. Everywhere it's like covered in snow. Alright, that's all for now, guys. I'll probably have more video later if the snow starts melting or something, or it picks back up. Alright guys, this is our snowman Leroy out here on this wintry day. Leroy is beast. Look at that. Snow falling, snow all around. And that's my dad sledding down a huge hill.